so I'm going to whisper. But we are in our new holiday home in Portugal. So we picked up the keys yesterday, and what we decided to do is we're going to document every step of the way, because this is a pretty old unit. What would you say about it?
Yeah, it is an old unit, but it just needs a little bit of TLC, doesn't it?
It needs some cosmetic things doing, and
we'll give you a quick tour around it as well, so just to show you what it's like now.
Rearranging, but
rearrange it.
We got the keys yesterday afternoon. First things first, some gas, some electricity, some water.
Yeah.
Problems all round, to be honest.
Yeah.
Straight away, we're getting a plumber in imminently, actually, this morning. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, because the gas boiler doesn't work. So these things come to haunt us.
Yeah.
So quick scoot round. This is the outdoor space. This is going to need replacing. It's had water ingress. I made a start yesterday on the fridge freezer. It's the only thing we're going to keep because it's pretty new.
Beautiful fridge freezer.
But it was black with mould yesterday, so I had a really good go at it. It's come up quite nicely. Another go today. But just to give you an example, you can see here what it was like.
Yeah,
it was
really
absolutely
manky.
Disgusting. There's no way I would have put anything in there.
No, we need some hot water. That's the thing.
And you can see that I've still got some work to do on the freezer side today.
Yeah, I noticed that you have got a lot to do.
I have, but I've run out of bleach.
Obviously the roof needs replacing, which it does. We're going to whip that off because it looks like it's had some water damage, but this is out on the outside, obviously.
See what there is in there, hon?
Let's get back a bit so we can get a little wider view. This is the...
Put those cushions in the washing machine with some Dylon, maybe.
So this is the outside area. You can get a better feel for it with a fridge freezer. Here, fridge freezer, which needs a good old look at. So yeah, you've got seating, which needs a good old wash and a clean up. This is all full of tools. A little table here, a little sat outside area. These are like fabric sidewalls, which you can roll up. So they can roll up to make this whole area like open. And yeah. And then what we think we're going to do is we're going to put like a net on there to keep you from having mozzies. Yeah.
Is it flat at the top outside as well? Is this the way it was made? Have they boxed this in, or was it?
No. All they've done is took this wall out.
Right, so it would have come
This was a bedroom, I reckon.
Yeah, it was.
The door
Look,
was
this is
here.
the door.
And the bed was
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So, how big is that cupboard? Out of interest.
It's big.
Oh,
Only the only issue is it's got that in it. You have to box that in.
But that could be moved,
Or moved.
couldn't it? It's the
I
fuse
think
box.
it's only showed me
Fuse boxes.
Ah,
Because
okay.
our idea is
That's
that
normal.
we're going to knock that through and make like a shower room.
All right, okay.
Yeah. And it's tuning. Matt can do that.
Yeah. Well,
I forgot that had a window. We thought that was a solid wall, but it isn't, is it?
No.
The bathroom is the shower room from there's a decent size.
Is it in good condition?
Yeah. Looks
Is
it?
it?
Yeah.
Because that was one of the things we talked about. Oh, it's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah. I was quite surprised actually.
Oh, actually, yeah.
That's a nice size, isn't it?
That
I
wouldn't
was
need.
surprised because I'd forgotten what the bathroom looked like.
That wouldn't need changing, would it?
No.
That's pretty clean as well.
It is.
Oh, see what you're saying. Oh no, because the waste will for the shower.
Mm.
Oh, hello. That's interesting. It's a little cupboard.
Yeah.
We'll do
See,
something with that. Probably.
that's that.
Oh, we have to knock that out. I'm going to have to replace that. Oh, what's that? Just like a
It's
little...
just a
the
gas.
The
Is it?
No, it'd be electric,
panel,
wouldn't it?
electric
Yeah.
panel
So you
heaters,
can move
yeah.
that.
Yeah,
Move
that
over
can
there.
go.
Put
Is
it
this
over
actually
there.
smaller than I thought it
Is
was?
that a... That's not a doodah bed,
That's
is
a
it?
fixed. No, it's a fixed wall
It's a
unit.
fixed wall unit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of this off.
Yeah, I would say so.
And then actually all you need is only about 4 base units.
Okay, then, so we...
I'd get a new kitchen,
Yeah.
personally.
As well. Replace
And
this.
the idea,
So this is the idea. We'd get this.
yeah,
And have a, like,
and
a
then have a
breakfast.
breakfast bar here.
And have a breakfast bar.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd probably look to recover that. Maybe, I don't know.
I'd look to recover that as a matter.
So if you took all of this out, essentially what you've got then is that whole corner as well,
Yeah, get all that out.
haven't you?
You
And
could have something else there, but I mean that.
yeah, you could. You know, like we said about a TV unit,
Yeah.
you might blank that window off,
I don't mind it.
and then there's nothing. It's only cosmetic.
Yeah.
It
Isn't
is
it?
cosmetic, yeah.
Yeah.
It is pretty much cosmetic, yeah.
Yeah, what's it hiding?
Here's the downstairs loo.
I don't know.
So
What's it hiding?
we can knock that. That's probably
Well, what's on the other side?
a metre
It's not too bad.
by 600.
It's not too bad. It is, sweetheart.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We just knock through. Yeah, there's something. If you build the stud wall
Take this
out, you build the stud
that.
wall out to here.
Out to here like that.
That's currently a metre by about 600. So that's probably.
So what do you have here then? Double door or something?
No,
Sliding
you know
door?
you'd have a petition as we talked about with
Petition with a
the
sliding
rollers,
door.
the sliding door, so you don't have to open a door in or out.
Mm-hmm.
It just slides back. Oh, it's like a fly screen.
Yeah,
Oh, that's easy.
That's
You
all
just
right.
press right over the top.
yeah.
And well done,
Oh.
Tone.
Well,
It will stay up.
It was there, unless there's like some sort of locky thing.
You've
might
done
be, yeah.
something.
You know what, if I go like that.
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
Well, it needs to be like that, doesn't it? I
It
mean, it's
does.
up to us how we would like it. Yeah.
It's probably, 8 metres long? This area? That's great.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's smaller than I thought. So actually, to replace the kitchen's minimal, isn't it? And it's actually, I can't see us not doing anything that we've already talked about.
No.
Can you?
No, I agree.
Good. Anything you want to say to the camera before I switch off? Good morning from a very lovely Algarve shopping. So we've come out for the day. We needed some water gas, and we needed to just have a little run, give Lilybet a little run. So Algarve shopping, one of our favourite haunts in Gia.
They've even got a Toys R Us.
Toys R Us, Toys R Us, Toys R
I
Us.
thought Toys R Us went.
So we're going a little bit of shopping, and we're going on the hunt. So let's go.
I'll tell you what we should do first off though. Let's go on the hunt for some grub.
Let's go and get some lunch.
Go and get some brunch. Oh. Where's that gone? Oh, here it is. I found it. And the reason I got my jacket on, it's a little bit chilly. Now I'm just about to take this down, but do you know what? It might fall on my head. No, I'm done. Now, if you want to hang a light on a wall, you would use one of them, wouldn't you? Because the weight of it is going to just strip that screw to bits, isn't it? Look at it. Bloody hell.
Well, we had a very busy day yesterday. Managed to gut this room. This is the small little guest room, and the bed people delivered a bed. Unfortunately, the base didn't come in, so they lent us a base, which is lovely, but the new mattress that we bought for our guests has arrived. So I've made up the bed. This is where we're going to sleep from now on. So this morning we decanted everything in. Look at the volume of washing that we've got. We've got it hung everywhere, and there's even more outside at the back. We were hanging on and hanging on. We've even got some in here. But the beauty is that it's beautiful sunshine again today, not a cloud in the sky. So this is all of the furniture that we took out of the house, and we've stacked it up because apparently other people living in the units locally will come and take a few bits, that kind of thing. And we understand from the builders that we spoke to that came in, looked at the unit for refurbishment on Thursday, was that there are poor people that they know that they distribute things like used furniture and things too. So that's where it's going to go if nobody wants to claim it. I did a great job of the fridge freezer, even if I say so myself. This is a little bit embarrassing. There it is, bleached, cleaned and fully functioning. It's just full of alcohol, which is a little bit worrying. But of course we are only 4 days from Christmas. So that's one side. Freezer this side. I can't work out how to put those shelves back in. The fridge door, the freezer door won't close if you put them in. But we've got our turkey ready for Christmas. So our plan today, it's now about 1:30 in the afternoon and we're just doing the very last bit of washing. Our plan today is to take this structure here down in between the washing. It's day 3 and more progress. We've had the sides up today just to see what they might look like. So in terms of the covered area that we're going to have outside space, we're going to keep the American fridge freezer now that I've spent 6 hours completely demoulding it. We're going to board this area here and we're going to put an outdoor kitchen in this area. So this is the bathroom, the shower room, and this is just a useless window basically into the kitchen living area. And then we're going to have, this is our plan, an outdoor kitchen here, and in the corner we're hoping to have a sunken, get this, a sunken, you live on dreams, don't you? Sunken, I've said that 3 times now, bath, but with jets. So kind of a jacuzzi bath, but not a jacuzzi. I just thought that would be nice. I really miss a bath. And this will have 2 shower rooms eventually. So I shall really look forward to that. We'll see if it's going to work. Plan A may not work. I might have to go to plan B, plan C. But we've completely today, I don't know if you can see, look, we've removed the whole structure that the pergola, the white pergola with all the lights that were rope lights wrapped round and round and round it. I have pulled off all the dead stuff over the archway and trimmed all the bits back. You can see the stuff that we've thrown out today, look. There it all is. That's just today's bits and bobs. Old wardrobes, the pergolas, 4 chairs that are found underneath. The old plastic garden shed, for want of a better word. So that's all down there, and we were really lucky because the site came and cleared away everything we did yesterday. So we're fingers crossed they're going to do that again today for us. We think tomorrow, we've just been told that there's a party for the residents in the bar tomorrow from 4 o'clock. So we're going to go to that, but I think this is our next project. Look, I need to clear all of this planting somehow. So that's kind of plan B. Maybe not tomorrow because it's the 23rd of December tomorrow and we need to do a little bit, oh you're right, a little bit of gardening. How do you feel after 2 days?
It's achy.
Yeah, it
I'm
is.
really honest. My back is hurting, but I want to clear out that rubbish that you left.
Okay, thanks darling, yes.
Come on.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!